out backwards and really focus that blunt. Bitch, what really got me flustered. Now the whole world is looking flustered. I'm in the area with the spirit of the rest. So we're gonna make a touching bar. You're gonna make a fucking bar. I'll be drinking like a jar. I'm high as fat boy. I'm really looking at the bar and if you check it. I go back with you, you get the fastest part. You'll be the first nigga bad one to let you get. You get drugs on your left, you're with the blood clot. They say that you get on the top. You're a hit project. I saw a track cleaner in the case. Check, don't need a ruckus block. Smoke the nuts, that's the hell. Leaving on the dice, you jail. I got to have it. So I try to stack my weight. If I don't do it for my young, then I'ma do it for me. Cause that's my way. Yeah, give the year, Texas, every week. I think the niggas on the house stepping. Then I can eat. But don't let that negative vibe in between. You're a fucking killer bees. I'm a bumble, I'll bring you. And I bring you 36 days. But I hang back, I made way up here. Wait, I think the spike shooter. Back and say I'm better, they be sabotaging. Shit, look up in the sky, and the bird is a plane. The whole world, I'm a fucking man. What's the blood clot? Yo, what the blood clot? What's the blood clot? Yo, what the blood clot? What the blood clot? Yo, what the blood clot? Yo, what the blood clot? What the blood clot? Yo, what the blood clot? What the blood clot? Yo, what the blood clot? What the blood clot? What the blood clot? Nigga. Really and truly love hip-hop music, make some noise. Yeah. If you love hip-hop and you know it, and you ain't afraid to show it, put a one in the air like this here. And when I say hip-hop, you say one love. Hip-hop! 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 Yeah! We gonna show y'all motherfuckers how Wu-Tang rockin' this motherfucker tonight. Hardcore, to make a brother's act fool. Hardcore, to make a brother's act fool. Hardcore, to make a brother's act fool. Just straight kid, nigga. No win, nigga. Same nigga. Black and cold, dry kid, nigga. All will be. Just with the band of Uncle Lee, the honey's under the when we dog down, let the down dog down. Let the sound, make a trucker down, go down. And hold it down, all the shit go hit the fan down. Get around and check over, bring a man down. Man down. Go for the old, go for the right, go for the other, go back. Shit, good to go, you the girl, have a job with other work. Number 6, with people, one damn kid. First things first, bitch is fucking work, bitch. I think it's where they come from. Sunshine is one time, and it on the turn me back on, motherfucker. On the work where the devil came from. Yeah, niggas from the anthem. And the railroad, yeah, full of pressure. Just because you out in the club, you ain't dog. Sport gloves and gold gloves, you ain't dog. Tattoos and hard screws will make you dog. Something for love, yeah, slum, come on. Just ain't chain, nigga. No way, nigga, say nigga. Back to close, right here, nigga. Shotgun, swimming in your technique. Shotgun, swimming in your technique. Yeah. Carry your eyes, hear the voice rock. Cell block, right? Put you in the side town, what you got rock? We can take it to the yellow line, and we can prove now. Rather than rhyme on the ground, I'ma still shine. Heavy on the street, talk. Till like a poor short. Never had no love for you. No love, no. Strictly informed by street sources. Double chord, hands over my front. They got me fed up, from the head up, put up a fed up, stage at the side, niggas is funny, here's another one answer.